Are you ready, Bones?
Kinakabahan. Kinakabahan.
Ayan.
Maharlikan
Ready?
eh.
Ay! Good luck on your performance. Palakpakan po natin si Bones ng 9
Like the star in the night that I love to behold. You sit near in my sight, yet so distant to hold. You're somebody forbidden for me to possess. So this love I've long hidden, I'll try to suppress. All night long, all day through, how I long for your kiss. I love you, how I do, yet you don't know of this. There's somebody who found you before we have met. While her arms still around you, I have to forget. Forbidden love, forbidden kiss, can't even touch your fingertips. Forbidden smile, forbidden face, your love is such forbidden grace. If this last through I try getting you off my mind, my heart still couldn't hide my true feelings behind. And all I ask is forgive me for loving you so. And don't look back as you leave me, it's forbidden, I know. Forbidden love, forbidden lips, can't even touch your fingertips. Forbidden smile, forbidden face, your love is such forbidden grace. Forbidden love, forbidden lips, can't even touch your fingertips. Forbidden smile, forbidden face, your love is such forbidden grace. Forbidden love, forbidden lips, can't even touch your fingertips. Forbidden smile, forbidden face, your love is such forbidden grace.
Thank you, Bones ng 9 Agency. Ano masasabi mo, Judge Pabs?
First of all, thank you for joining the Andrew for Bones. Ayun.
Yep.
Yeah. Ako po, yung sa voice mo I agree actually with you saying that ano naman pasok naman yung pasok naman yung pagkanta mo. Kung singing yung pag-uusapan, yes, it is okay para sa akin. Siguro na ano lang ako, feeling ko lang, my opinion is, siguro had it been a different song, a better song, or would fit your singing voice or your singing style, I think it would have been much, I don't want to say better, it would have been livelier, perhaps, siguro. Ayun. Parang, for me, hindi ko masyadong hindi lumabas yung kaya mo pang I know na kaya mo pang itigawa. Yeah.
Thank you, Tito Pabs. Junsen? Uso mag-unmute.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ate Bon, sa yung kanta. Yung kantang yun, hindi ko masyadong alam eh. Babae ba kumanta nun, ate?
Sa Granny ni Sarah Geronimo, you revive
Okay. Okay, narinig ko na pala yan. Oh, medyo may ano pa sa ano te, kumbaga, mas, yung boses mo parang hindi siya na-fit doon sa kanta or iwan ko sa tenga ko. Pero ate, meron pang kanta na mas babagay sa'yo. Pero yung pagkakanta mo yun, okay naman ate. Wala namang paltos eh. Oh, parang ang sarap matulog, ganun, sa boses mo. Goods naman ate yung kanta mo. Okay naman.
Ayun. Ako naman, I have to disagree with the two boys. Oo, mahirap kantahin yung mga ganyang kanta ha, kahit magaling ka. Kasi kailangan
Oo.
meron kang tung 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 tung. Mayroon kang punto, mabigyan mo siya ng, parang ano ba tawag doon?
Detalye.
Oo, detalye. Yes.
Hindi
Na
lang siya
mahirap-
details. Yung kanta kasi yun, may putol siya. So, kaya hindi kailangan na parang
Yes.
habaan mo yung line, yung every word. So, kailangan talaga is
Oo,
medyo alam
hindi
mo
ako
talaga
kumakanta
kung
ng mga
saan
ganyang
sabihin
kanta
to.
kasi ano eh. Lalo na yung mga singers na minsan plain lang. Hindi sila sanay sa ganyan yung may mga hindi ano. So ayan, nagustuhan ko yung performance mo. I think bumagay yung boses mo diyan sa ano. Kaya nga lang I think hinahanap nila nitong dalawa is yung pang-competition siguro na song na alam nilang mas mapa-flaunt pa, mas mailalabas yung boses mo kasi ano eh, magaling ka eh. Magaling. I think they are just looking for a piece na as in maipapakita yung kakayanan mo more better. Ayan. Pero your performance was great. I loved it. And,
Parang ba kayo yun makanta mga jazz?
Yes.
Mga ganyang
I
kanta.
agree. But ayan, thank you very much Bones ng 9 Agency